Blake Lively is finding herself entangled in even more legal complications. As the Ent Ends With Us star's legal feud with director Justin Baldoni rages on, she now faces yet another lawsuit. Jed Wallace, along with his crisis PR company, Street Relations, has filed a defamation lawsuit against Lively. This legal action follows her decision to name his firm in a civil rights complaint she submitted in California back in December. According to court documents obtained by E! News on February 5th, Wallace is seeking at least $6 million in punitive damages. He argues that Lively's initial complaint linked him to the case, despite him not being included in the subsequent lawsuit she filed against Baldoni later that same month. Wallace claims that this led various media outlets to report that he and his firm had been involved in unlawful conduct, causing significant harm to his reputation. However, a spokesperson for the 37-year-old actress has pushed back against this latest lawsuit. In a statement to E! News, Lively's representative remarked, "Another day, another state, and yet another 9-figure lawsuit attempting to erase Blake Lively simply for speaking out against sexual harassment and retaliation. This isn't just a media spectacle. It's a blatant act of revenge for the allegations she made in her legal complaint with the California Civil Rights Department." The statement continued, "While we are confident that this lawsuit will be thrown out, we're also glad that Mr. Wallace has finally stepped out from behind the curtain. Now, he too will have to face accountability in federal court." Wallace's lawsuit comes less than a month after Baldoni launched his own counter-lawsuit against Lively, her husband Ryan Reynolds, and their publicist. Baldoni is seeking a staggering $400 million in damages, alleging that Lively was determined to portray him as the real-life villain in her story. He also claims that her accusations of sexual harassment were fabricated accounts. A trial date has been scheduled for March 2026. In the latest update, both parties have agreed to move forward with the discovery phase of the legal proceedings, according to NBC News.